An important success factor is managing your trades. Sometimes the biggest success factor or big success factor may not be an indicator at all, because there is no one perfect indicator, as we learn, and there's no one perfect system. You know, there's things that work better than others, of course. But in fact, not only do you need to know these different types of indicators, how to apply them, how to use them and all that, but you also need to know how to manage your trades. If you take a course in technical analysis and they don't include this part or something, that's a little bit of a miss there, because it's, you know, managing your trades is that important. It's very, very important. So we're going to talk about in these upcoming lessons about managing trades. And if you think about it, an indicator is a tool, right? So it's a tool that help you make decisions around. And you have many tools in your toolbox, right? You have all these different indicators that you can use, and you have primary indicators and secondary indicators and third and fourth, and you have a plan around that. But how you use those tools, that's trade management. So think about the tool. The objective is to hit like a hammer, is to hit the nail on the head, right? That's how you use the tool. But sometimes it's subjective, like how many nails should I use? Or, you know, to let's say affix this board to this other, you know, to the side of the house or whatever it might be. So you're thinking about, how do I use my tools and how do I manage the use of the tools? And that's when you get into, you know, into trade management. So the big themes in this section is developing trading rules that reflect your risk appetite, you know, how much risk you want to take on and how to kind of build that all together. And then understanding some important trading mechanisms too, such as stop loss and scaling, and some things that we're going to learn about to use these trading mechanisms to help you not only understand how to use the indicators, but in addition to that is how to use trading mechanisms for success. And that's what we're going to be learning coming up. So I hope you'll like this theme here coming up here.